Today I'm going to share with you how to make and set up your own free drip irrigations from milk jugs. This technique of watering has changed my life because you don't have to use as much water to effectively water your plants. And the watering is nearly automatic once you got it all set up. To make free drip irrigation, you're going to need only two things. You're going to need some milk jugs. You can also use plastic containers, but what I find is that the best containers to use for free drip irrigations are 4 liters milk jugs or any other container that is around that size. And you're also going to need one of these tiny pokers to make the holes. From my previous tests making these free milk jug drip irrigation, I found that using a nail or a drill bit makes too big of the hole and it doesn't work properly. Which is why I like using this tack because it makes the perfect size hole. Then what I'm going to do next is make a hole on one side of the milk bottle near the base of it. Just like that. Now you don't want to make a hole somewhere up in the middle or too high because then the water will stop at this level and won't drain any further. You want it near the base. Some people will poke 2 holes at the side of the bottle so the water drips around the plant instead of just one spot, and you can also do that. Now the next step is to place them by plants that needs to be watered. Next we're going to fill the containers that we have with water. System, you wouldn't want to put the caps back on, otherwise it wouldn't work. Now that your free drip irrigation is all set and done, it will work its thing and water the soil evenly and moist for you. Watering your plants with this free drip irrigation setup will reduce soil splash, and the less soil splash you create when watering your plants means they'll have less disease. You'll have healthier and more productive plants. That using drip irrigation will also allow for water to slowly penetrate through dry soil because sometimes the soil could be hydrophobic if you forgot to water it. Hydrophobic basically means that the soil is so dry that it sheds the water and makes it run off instead of absorbing into it. Don't have to stop there. You could put water-soluble fertilizer or your homemade fertilizer in it, like a molasses or banana peel. If you want to see how to make your own molasses fertilizer that will double the growth of your plants, then make sure you watch this video over here. Goodbye!